Here's how to assemble this Nova X electric dirt bike. It arrives in this big cardboard box, so just bust that open, and then you just gotta unwrap and unpackage everything. It all comes wrapped up real nice, so everything's, in good condition when it arrives. First thing is to remove this piece of metal from where your shock goes, and then you're going to insert the shock right there and screw the shock into place. All of the instructions provided are pretty good. The pictures are really small, so the pictures aren't super helpful, but the text is pretty good text to follow. There's only one step that I would maybe adjust a little bit, which I'll explain. Next, you're gonna want to install your brakes right there, your front brakes, and then your front wheel, and tighten all that down and make sure it's secure. And then now you move to the handlebars, but first you do the light, and this is honestly the most complicated part, which kind of seems counter, like it wouldn't be, like seems like the easiest part, but do the light first and then the handlebars. And then I would maybe recommend doing the bash shield, the face plate on the front at that point. I did it at the end, which I'll show you. You're gonna unscrew a knob at the bottom, and then that's gonna let the seat pop up, and that's gonna allow you to screw in your tail light. And you see that knob that I spun off to unlock the seat just hangs there on a chain. Then you install the rear fender, and this is just screws. You're just tightening down screws. And then make sure when you're done with that, you push the seat back down and screw that knob back on so it tightens down the seat. Then you've got the pegs. Install the pegs on both sides, and then you do the front fender. And if you've already done the bash shield, the face plate, then that'll be your last step. But if you haven't, then you'll install the Nova X face shield right there, the front plate. And you'll also tuck you'll tuck a little wire, the brake wire, into that faceplate before you screw it in. But really cool looking bike when it's totally assembled. It also came with some decal stickers you can put on it. I chose not to because I like the all black look.